This is how you throw a curveball. You hold it like with your index finger right there and your middle finger right there. Your thumb should be around but not touching the seams. And you throw it with an overhand, I guess. This is the sinking curve. It missed.
That missed.
Pretty badly.
Yeah.
I'll show you another thing. This is how you throw slice.
Sorry, my camera is bad. I don't have a stabilizer on it.
You hold it the same way as you hold a curveball, but you have the seams facing the outside, except for when the middle finger should be on the seams and the index finger should be in the middle, with your thumb like that. And this is the slide. Yeah.
The bad slider. The bad slider.
It can full batter pretty badly. I'm really bad at throwing them, so don't expect me to hit the strikes or even close to the strike. So hold a changeup with your two fingers like this. Should be three holes in between your two fingers, like that. This is the changeup. I really suck at it, so don't expect it to hit the strike though. See? Told you I sucked at it. That's all game.
Okay, and that's it from Wiffle Ball Pros. Well, just for this video.
What?
See ya.